let's go over Doge. If you like this type of content, you like more of these types of updates, be sure to become a Patreon member of JSong's Chartroom. It's going to be www.patreon.com/jsong_7. On the website, you'll see a full list of cryptocurrencies that we cover. And if you have a favorite crypto that you have, I usually create good maps for those that are going to aid you. If you don't have anyone who does technical analysis, but you're trading and you want somebody who does technical analysis and you want to have some of the access to those maps as well as commentary on some of those things, as well as the different options that I expect on those price movements, critical times on which you're going to need to know what price is going to do, on when you're going to need to make decisions, or when it becomes important, or when it becomes dangerous, or when it becomes likely. You're going to have those maps. I create those for you on higher time frames, such as the daily, weekly, monthly, and then for certain cryptocurrencies, I even do them on 4-hour time frames, and sometimes even 1 hour if we're doing one live. I do also have access to dive live streams, and then I also have an upcoming class where I'm going to be teaching how to do technical analysis. That will be later in the year or at the beginning of this coming year, and I would love to be in your corner. Just visit the website. With that said, let's get right into Doge. If you click on Doge, it will pull up a list of the different Doge analysis that we've done over the past days. But let's take a look. Back here on October 25th, I covered this in a dive live stream. I gave full levels like this. These are the analysis I gave for Doge with a B, seeing us down here. And I gave that currently we were in this sword area, so we might see a run up to the next sword level. But we would need to get a break above that level, and that's going to be 0.30 cents, 30.90 cents to be precise, for us to be able to see a higher up move. I do still expect Doge to be doing a move to around 44 cents and then going back down. This is in alignment with Prophet Robin in his prophecy when he saw price at 44 cents. But then there should be some major trouble with a major move down to like around 4 cents Doge, according to him. So I don't have that in my data just yet, but I do see the breakout levels that we need to clear for price to move higher. Again, this was from October 25th. Let's move on. These are the levels that the most important right here, these red levels. And at the moment, we already broke above there. So the price was more safe to move up to 30 cents at that time. I put the full commentary for this right here. You can pause the screen, you can zoom in, or you can just access that chart on the website. On October 26th, I have posted that this was the area we can actually see the breakout and price still sitting healthily on 26 cents Doge. Doge has broken above the resistance level and has sat down on the sword cut, and this is the pullback I was speaking about in a previous sessions. Price is still healthy and now has confirmed strength. I am long Doge and I will be exiting around 44 cents. The current price is 26 cents. This is a good price to me. And I still included the previous options, which we need to see a move above A and these angles to become really healthy. I spoke about that in a previous video on YouTube. And then on October 28th, we did see the move exactly to 0.30 cents. We actually moved higher, but could not close above that level. So this was very important. This was on the daily chart. This next thing I told people that was this. We needed a move and we needed to stay above the blue line. If we stay above the blue line, we're healthy. We still have chance to move higher. Later on that day, I posted this from my cell phone that we did have this type of move where price was still hanging above that blue line. So that means that if we get a close like that, anything below this line is the discount, and we're still healthy with prices. I don't trade based on just price levels alone because price is often dynamic and moving. I do trade based on price behavior. October 29th saw us above the blue line, but still above this dashed support, which was a mid-phantom from these levels here and these levels here from a while back ago. So this is very strong still. In November, however, we did not break through at that moment. So now what happens is the test. So price is still on the positive side of price, but now we are coming back, and again, where we're going to the sword cut level, which is very, very, very common. So I have not changed my stance on Doge. I'm still bullish Doge as long as we stay above this green line here. I'm still good. And we came all the way down, spiked that green line again, and now what I'm expecting is price to slowly roll off of that line in a nice cup pattern. If we kind of are shaped, around that level right here, something like this, that gives us strength to pass the blue line again. Because we penetrated the blue line once, price is not scared of breaking it again. So this was as of November 1st. Today is November 4th. These are new added levels of support. Of resistance. Again, this is the type of pattern that we're still needing to move up. And I said I am looking for a breakout on Doge. This was on the 4-hour chart. Now at this angle, this is the next breakout that needs to happen for higher Doge prices. If we get this breakout, Doge becomes very healthy for higher prices. This is a 4-hour chart. So I'm watching for this dashed line. That's the one that's really important for us to be able to break above. And again, we should have no problems with this dashed line because we broke it once before. So now anything below that line is again the discounted price. So that's when you see prices cheap. That's when it's time to start gobbling up prices. When you see it make a healthy move, stay in healthy position and pull back. That's basically what's happening. We already broke this level and we pulled back. We're still on the positive side of price, so Doge is still healthy, even though it's low. Its behavior is healthy. Some cryptos have behavior that is not healthy, and I often talk about those many times during my live dive stream sessions. If you guys are interested, just again, go ahead and come to my website. And so that brings us to today. Where are we at today? Well, Doge is still sitting on this line. We had many times where we came down, tested the green line, tried to break through the green line, came back up, sat down on sword support, sat down on sword support, now came down, spiked the green line, and we have another 4 hours to go in this line. This is a daily chart. We are still not above this white line right here, but we are, and this is that same white line here. On the 4-hour chart, it looks like this. You can still see it. We are still below this white line here. And that level is 0.2685. So currently, if price breaks 2685, I'll be very more interested in Doge and think it's healthy. Now I'm still in Doge. I have not left Doge because again, we're still on the positive side, which is this green line. That's when price gets a little bit dangerous if we get below that line and swing down. Then we can be seeing price coming to this level right here. Let's extend that out. Currently, that's around 22.96. So these are a little bit dangerous. And currently, the green level for you to have it is around 25.10. So currently it's around 25.10. These are dynamic moving lines, so the longer it takes for price to hit, the lower price is going to go. So keep that in mind. And this is what I'm expecting on Doge at the moment. Again, we are still in healthy territory for Doge. I am looking for the bounce at 44. We have not broken out yet. So if you are waiting for confirmation, you may want to be looking for a break above the line 26.85. But if it takes longer, it can get all the way down to 26.14 and so forth and so on. In my next video, I will cover OMI and LRC, which are recaps from the dive sessions that were taking place this week. And I'll see you guys in that video. Take a look.